Record. Hi everyone. Today we will do a quick review about the lessons that we did before. So we started from the Vieta's theorem. So Vieta's theorem about finding the equation, or it's about finding sum of the results or product of the results quickly without even finding them. So you just need to make it clear what are these ABC numbers. After that, when I ask you sum of the roots, sum of the results, which is equal to minus B over A, product of the results is equal to C over A. So now let's go to the first example. Let's clean it from there. Let's remove this from the question place. My page from question place. Or let's put it down button there. Nothing will appear in here. We have trash can. Let's put trash can up. Good. I think now it will be better with these ratios arrangement. So now in the first example, can you tell me what is the A number in here?
2.
Okay, thanks. What about B number?
6.
What about C number?
5.
So first we make it clear what are these ABC numbers. Then find sum and product of the roots. So sum of the roots, x1 plus x2. Let's remember the formula. Let's go back. X1 plus x2 is equal to minus b over a. Their product is c over a. Minus b over a. So minus, what is b number right now?
6.
What about a?
2.
So the result is minus
3.
That's all we should do. Now let's find the product of them. So it is equal to c over a from the formula. Then what about c number right now?
5.
What about a number?
2.
5 over 2 is a fraction or a rational number. You can just leave it like that. You don't have to divide. So
Okay.
do you realize any problem about the second example?
I don't know. I think we should
Co
start
co
solving.
compare first and second. How are they given? Remember this.
They are, but the A1 is equal to 0.
Yeah.
B1 is equal to 5.
It's not equal to 0. So when it says x squared, we must make it always equal to 0. That's why we move 5 in here. So when you move 5 to left as minus 5, that remains 0 in the right side.
Okay.
So firstly, we must arrange the quadratic equation in the form it should be. After that, we write what are these ABC numbers. So now, can you tell me what is A number?
1.
B number?
3.
Don't forget this.
Minus 3. Okay.
C number?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. So it is just about memorizing the formula right now. You need to memorize this, which is minus b over a. So minus, can you tell me what's b number?
Minus 3.
So if it is a
Over
negative number, you put it with parentheses. Then
over 1.
Over what? So minus minus is going to become plus 3 over 1 is 3 again. The same answer. Oh no, it's minus 3 in the previous one. So then the product x1 times x2, it's c over a. So what about c number now?
Minus 5 over
1. It's equal to minus 5. So for this semester in the class, I need to pause this video. Then let's continue with this example. the product of the roots of the equation, blah 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 blah, this is the equation, is to find sum of the roots. So this is the example that I like a little bit more than the others. So the first two examples, they are all about learning how to use the rule. This is by using the rule we try to find some other things, and after that new things we find even something else. So try to understand this sentence. The product is 2. So can you tell me the formula for product? Do you remember that?
C over A.
Yeah, that's all. That means when you do this C over A thing, the product of them should be equal to 2. So we must do it in here, C over A thing. So then in here, what about A part? Which numbers do we have in A part?
2k minus 1.
That's all, very well. What about B part?
Uh, just 1. Or 1 plus 3k.
I mean, it's the with
Oh,
X part, just 3K.
just 3k, okay.
Okay. Then the without X part, without X, the things without X,
K plus 1.
K plus 1. Let's move the star over there. K plus 1. 1. Sorry, we should put plus 1. So then we will just replace those things in the formula, given formula. You understood the first step needs to be done. The product is 2. We wrote the formula. The result will be 2. If we put these things in here. What about C right now? What's that?
K plus 1.
K plus 1. We just put it there. And then what about A?
2k minus 1.
2K minus 1. So then to solve this equation, we should do cross product. We write 2 over 1, and then we do cross product. So that 2 times everything in here, 1 by 1. 2 times 2,
4.
and 2 times minus 1.
Minus 2.
So then 1 times the things in here, since it's
K
plus,
plus 1.
the same thing. So 4K, 1K. Move always the smaller one. So 1K is the smaller one. You should move it other side. It's going to be minus K.
Minus K.
That means we will put K things in here. 4K, we
4K.
can move it down. But minus 2, we cannot keep it in here. We should put other side. It's going
Plus
to
2.
be plus 2 and plus 1. So then 4K minus K equals 3K equals 3. So then
3.
K equals.
3 over 3. 1.
So then this wasn't the final. So find sum of the roots. Let's do that. Sum of the roots, x1 plus x2 is equal to minus, what was the formula? The formula?
Okay, it was B over A.
B over A, good. So then I will replace these things right now with K, ABC things in here. What about B?
3K.
3K. What about A?
2K minus 1.
So then we have found K as 1. We will come here and replace it over there. Minus 3 times 1, 2 times 1 minus 1, which makes minus 3 over 1
1.
minus 3. x1 plus x2. Here we have the result. That's all. Thanks for listening, everyone. So now we will move to the next example. And I want you to write these to your notebooks. Now I will be waiting for that.